BYD will release the electric SUV Sealion 06 EV in 2026. BYD unveiled the Sealion 06, Sealion 6 in some countries, in China with EV and PHEV/DMI powertrains. I expect this paradigm to spread worldwide, especially in Southeast Asia, by 2026. New 2026 BYD Sealion 06 EV features and powertrains. Sealion 06 is part of BYD's Ocean range, known for its attractive design and groundbreaking NEV technology. 1. Exterior design. Ocean aesthetic design. BYD's Ocean series includes dual-layer LED headlights, large front corner air intakes, and a full-width wavy LED taillight bar. Semi-recessed integrated door handles improve aerodynamics and hygiene. Size. A mid-size SUV with a 2,820mm wheelbase, 4,810mm length, 1,920mm width, and 1,675mm height. 2. Powertrain options. EV focus. The Sealion 06 EV will feature BYD's e-Platform 3.0 Evo architecture. Motor options. Expect multiple power outputs. Initial details include rear-wheel drive models with 170 and 180 kilowatts, 228 and 241 horsepower. Peak power. BYD Blade battery technology will ensure safety, durability, and energy density in battery packs. Expect 65.28 and 78.72 kilowatt-hour batteries. The battery configuration determines CLTC range, which is 520, 550, or 605 kilometers. A lower WLTP/EPA range. Fast DC charging. Some reports suggest 800V architecture for higher trims. Despite the user's request for EV, plug-in hybrids DMI will be accessible worldwide. These use BYD's 5th-generation DM hybrid technology with a 1.5-liter engine and electric motors for range and efficiency. 3. Interior tech. Modern cabin. T-shaped dashboard with 15.6-inch rotating center multimedia screen and 12.3-inch rectangular digital instrument cluster. Modern flat-bottom 4-spoke steering wheel. NFC card key, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Comfort. Ventilated and heated front seats, air suction cooling, a panoramic sunroof, dual cup holders, a 4-bottle mini refrigerator, and a wireless phone charging pad. Higher-end Dynaudio sound systems have 10 or more speakers. D-SUSI intelligent damping control technology. All BYD vehicles will include the suspension control technology for greater ride comfort and handling. Highway navigation on Autopilot NOA, active emergency braking, lane keeping aid, and more are expected in D-Pilot 100's God's Eye smart driving system. Practicality. Has a 142-liter front trunk and a 757-liter back trunk that can expand to 1,630 liters with the rear seats folded. Possible 2026 BYD Sealion 06 EV release and price. Worldwide release. China launched the BYD Sealion 06 on July 24, 2025. Global market launches in key foreign markets will occur in late 2025 or early 2026. China reference estimated start price. Sealion 06 EVs cost 143,800 renminbi to 163,800 renminbi, $20,000 to $22,800 USD. In China, Sealion 06 DMI, PHEV 139,800 renminbi, $19,540. Foreign pricing. The Sealion 6, probably the same model, will cost 42,990 Australian dollars to 52,990 Australian dollars in Australia. Prices in Europe may be comparable.